Today I am reviewing Crucial X9 Pro 4TB Portable SSD. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Crucial X9 Pro 4TB Portable SSD is one of the most advanced external storage devices you can buy today, and it's built with a focus on speed, durability, and versatility. Whether you're a professional content creator, a photographer, a gamer, or someone who simply needs a reliable portable storage solution, the Crucial X9 Pro offers a powerful package that delivers exceptional performance in a compact design. Right out of the box, the Crucial X9 Pro impresses with its sleek anodized aluminum body and silver finish, giving it a premium look and feel. It's not just about aesthetics, the build quality is designed for durability. This SSD is water and dust resistant with an IP55 rating, which means it can handle splashes and dust exposure without compromising performance. On top of that, it's drop resistant up to 7.5 feet, making it ideal for travel, outdoor shoots, or demanding work environments. What really sets the X9 Pro apart is its incredible speed. With read and write speeds of up to 1050 megabytes per second, this drive offers truly professional-grade performance. If you work with high-resolution files like 4K or even 8K video, large raw image files, or complex project files, this speed makes a huge difference. You won't be waiting for long transfers or edits. Everything feels smooth, seamless, and efficient. For a professional editor, videographer, or photographer, this can save hours of work over time. The storage capacity is another highlight. With 4 terabytes of space, the Crucial X9 Pro offers room for tens of thousands of high-resolution images, hundreds of hours of video, and countless documents. It's more than just a backup drive, it's a portable data library. For photographers traveling to events, videographers on location, or creative professionals managing massive projects, this level of capacity is a game changer. One of the strengths of the Crucial X9 Pro is its versatility and compatibility. It works seamlessly with Windows and Mac computers, but it also supports iPad Pro, Chromebooks, Android devices, Linux systems, and even gaming consoles like PS4, PS5, and Xbox. This broad compatibility means you can use one drive for multiple devices without worrying about format or connection issues. The USB-C interface with USB 3.2 technology ensures fast and reliable data transfers, and the included USB-A adapter makes it even more flexible for older devices. Security is also a strong point. The Crucial X9 Pro includes password protection with 256-bit AES hardware encryption, keeping your sensitive data safe. This is especially important for professionals handling confidential projects or anyone who carries critical data on the go. In addition, it includes a lanyard loop for easy carrying and an activity light to let you know when the drive is in use. Crucial also adds extra value with bundled software. You get 3 months of Mylio Photos Plus, which helps organize, manage, and back up photos effortlessly, and Acronis True Image, a powerful tool for secure backups. These additions turn the Crucial X9 Pro into not just an SSD, but a complete solution for managing and protecting your data. In real-world use, the Crucial X9 Pro feels fast, responsive, and reliable. Copying large files is quick, opening high-resolution media is smooth, and the drive stays cool during extended use. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in a laptop bag, camera bag, or even a pocket, and the rugged build gives peace of mind when traveling. When compared to other portable SSDs in the market, the Crucial X9 Pro stands out for its balance of speed, capacity, durability, and security. Many external SSDs offer speed but compromise on build quality or storage size. Others offer large capacity but at slower speeds. The X9 Pro delivers on all fronts, making it a premium choice for professionals who need performance and reliability. In short, if you need an external storage device that delivers incredible speed, massive capacity, and robust durability, the Crucial X9 Pro 4TB Portable SSD is a perfect choice. It's designed to meet the needs of creators, professionals, and anyone who values their data. Whether you're editing video, managing photos, or storing important documents, this SSD gives you the confidence that your work is safe, fast, and accessible whenever you need it. For those who want a combination of power, portability, and peace of mind, the Crucial X9 Pro is an investment that pays off. It's more than just a storage device. It's a reliable partner for your creative and professional life.